SpaceX and international missions are expected to establish the first human colony on Mars, marking a new era of interplanetary civilization. Artificial general intelligence will become self-learning, outperforming human cognition in most intellectual fields. People will control devices directly with thoughts through neural implants like Neuralink. Personalized gene editing and nanobot therapies will make most cancers curable or fully preventable. Satellite constellations will provide high-speed internet to every corner of the planet. Digital currencies and blockchain will replace paper money globally. Millions will live, work, and earn inside persistent virtual metaverses. Lab-grown hearts, livers, and kidneys will eliminate donor waiting lists. Rising sea levels and extreme weather will displace over 200 million people worldwide. Autonomous vehicles will dominate roads, drastically reducing accidents and pollution. Quantum computers will crack codes, simulate molecules, and accelerate discovery in medicine and physics. Clean, limitless fusion power will finally become commercially viable, ending fossil fuel dependence. CRISPR-based embryo editing will allow the selection of traits like intelligence, height, and disease resistance. Babies will be grown in artificial wombs, transforming parenthood and fertility science. Anti-aging medicine and cellular regeneration will drastically extend human life expectancy. Over half of animal species could vanish due to human expansion and climate change. AI-controlled drones and robotic soldiers will replace human troops in combat. Asteroids will be mined for rare metals and resources needed on Earth. AI tutors and immersive learning environments will replace conventional classrooms. AI-driven humanoid robots will handle cleaning, cooking, and caregiving tasks. Tidal and wave energy will become key global electricity sources. Permanent lunar bases will support research, mining, and tourism. Instant translation tech will make many spoken languages obsolete. Cultured meat will replace animal farming to combat climate change. AR glasses will overlay digital information seamlessly onto the real world. People will upload consciousness to virtual servers, existing beyond biological death. Biodegradable materials will replace non-degradable plastics globally. Robotic and possibly human explorers will reach Saturn and Jupiter's moons. Geoengineering will allow humanity to manipulate weather and global temperatures. Some countries may elect AI-based governance systems for efficiency and fairness. Ethical barriers will weaken as cloning technology proves safe and useful. Orbital trips and lunar visits will become accessible to middle-class travelers. Facial recognition and data tracking will eliminate anonymity worldwide. Every human will have a verified digital identity connected to health and financial data. Communication and payments will occur via subdermal chips. Brain upgrades will enhance memory, calculation, and creativity. Nations will control rainfall and temperature to prevent droughts. Advanced telescopes will confirm microbial or intelligent extraterrestrial signals. Automation will handle nearly all physical jobs. Humans will focus on creativity and strategy. Nations will battle digitally more often than with physical weapons. Submarine cities will emerge as population and climate pressures grow. Instant health scans and nanobots will diagnose and treat most illnesses at home. Humans will cultivate plants on Martian soil, making life sustainable off Earth. Massive fusion reactors will mimic the sun's process to power cities. Brain link networks will allow people to share thoughts directly. Professions like drivers, cashiers, and factory workers will vanish due to automation. People will earn real income from digital businesses and assets in the metaverse. Machine-led negotiation systems may prevent human wars. Large-scale projects will attempt to create breathable air and flowing water. The line between humans and technology will blur completely, leading to a new era of transhuman existence.